what happened?
Too many complaints on social media.
But it wasn't your fault. It was a company decision. And I mean, they still buy you, aren't they?
I can't take those cyberbullying anymore.
Alright, let me give you a hand.
Hello everyone, welcome to the close-up view. Today let's have a look at the newest and the biggest iPhone 12 Pro Max with the regular consumer point of view. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a $1,099 price tag. This is not the most expensive phone, but it's definitely up there with that luxury party. Therefore, we're going to expect a lot on this phone, I hope.
I mean, really, I hope.
If you ask what caught my attention to this phone, obviously if I am an iPhone hardcore fan, my answer would be, I'm buying this phone because this is Apple.
Very generic answer, okay?
But for me, the reason this phone got into my hand is because my friend let me borrow it. Nothing fancy. So let's open up the box and have a look at it. So first look at the box. This time it is extremely thin. I like that. In the box, we have, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Approximately 6.7 inch screen display and yet no haircut this year.
The famous hairstyle with the notch is still in fashion for Apple only.
So the side of the phone is covered with the stainless steel, which is a callback from Generation 4.
Such a genius design.
Don't let the Angry Bird out. So we have the power button and the fingerprint reader on the right. So on the left, these are on the sound related button and switch. The SIM card slot is located in the position where the fingerprint reader is, but on the opposite side.
I know you hate it, but I like to say that.
So moving on, we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. So this is used for charging.
But hold on. Where's the charging brick and where's the Lightning headphone? Oh my god, I hope those two departments did not get laid off during this pandemic time.
Okay, calm down. Do not let the Angry Bird out. So the user manual. Wow, so the way to reduce waste, let me zoom in and have a quick read. Maybe they will explain where the brick is.
Supporting the environment. If you want to use your phone, please buy our new product MagSafe and also buy the USB-C brick as well, because those are separate product. Win-win emoji.
Okay, so let's put the joking aside. I mean, back in the headphone jack scenario, when at least Apple give the user a transition time when they're switching between a regular headphone jack into the Lightning headphone jack into a wireless headphone. But this time there's no transition at all. They could have just cut the headphone and still leave the brick for the consumer. I mean, even though wireless charging is a trend, but that does not mean everyone is ready for it. So please do your research before you're buying it. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification button. Also check out my other video on Gundam if you are interested. Thank you so much.